A former Azle High School student filed a lawsuit against the school district and several district leaders. A former teacher and coach is already facing criminal charges, but attorneys say the school leaders also made mistakes. Fox 4's Amelia Jones live with more on that story tonight. Amelia.
Steve, the victim's attorney told us he believes there's enough evidence in the case that the judge will deny the motions made by Azle ISD, the superintendent and former athletic director, and allow the case to move forward to trial.
It's been a devastating experience for her and frankly for her family.
Attorney Rod Tanner's client wants justice for the alleged sexual abuse she experienced at the hands of an Azle ISD coach. When the victim came forward to police in April, Carlos Alberto Font Santiago was arrested on charges of an improper relationship with a student. In December, he was charged with sexual assault of a child. Now the victim has filed a lawsuit against Azle ISD, the superintendent, the former athletic director, and Font Santiago.
Simply put, my client believes the evidence will show that she was sexually abused over a period of many months during her sophomore and junior years at Azle ISD by Mr. Font Santiago, and that the school district covered it up.
The school district and superintendent filed a motion to dismiss the case against them. The former athletic director, Rebecca Spurlock, also filed a motion to dismiss the case against her based on qualified immunity, which Tanner says is a complicated legal defense. However, he believes the evidence will show that Spurlock's actions do not meet the requirements for qualified immunity.
We believe the evidence will show that she had actual knowledge pointing to improper and unlawful conduct by Mr. Font Santiago at the time in question.
Tanner also called into question the timing of Font Santiago's arrest in April. Azle ISD knew about the allegations, but allowed him to coach a softball game that day, and he was arrested that night at his home. Fox 4 spoke to Azle Police Chief Ben Hall, who defended the police's arrest plan, saying it took time to get the arrest warrant and search warrant approved. Plus, they didn't want to risk the safety of kids at the game.
My client feels that a significant part of her childhood has been stolen from her by this sexual predator.
And Tanner is working with an investigator to gather more evidence and asking the public for help.
We're interested in any former students, teachers, employees, coaches, parents who had knowledge of this behavior from the coach at Azle ISD. We want to talk with them. We want to gather information on what they knew and who they told about it.
Where things stand right now, the school district superintendent and the former athletic director have time to file their own responses to Tanner's brief. After this, a judge will consider all the evidence and rule on the motions filed. We did reach out to Azle ISD for comment on the lawsuit, but we did not hear back. Steve.
All right, Amelia, we know you'll follow up on that. Thank you very much.